Hello Warwick, how are you?
Hello, good, thanks. Yeah, I saw your emails about coming on this trip.
Yeah, okay, thank you, I know. I always do anyway. There's anything else. Thank you.
So how do you get here?
Yeah, okay, somebody dropped me off. Hey, what's that in our magazine this month? What happened?
Yeah.
He rode.
What happened about it?
He rode. She was a lovely lady.
Yes, she was. She was very kind.
Yeah, I know.
So we'd come into the office and there'd be a box of chocolates and that would be
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll remember waiting, because I remember waiting water a long time ago.
Yeah, but I don't enjoy this tonight. Wait for them to enjoy this.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we look down like the road down. Yeah, got the Elevate National Camp coming up soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, Labour weekend, so
You going to it?
yes. Yeah, it's 50 years, 1976.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good, you'll love it.
when that sound is pumping up the rates. Yeah, yeah.
Your father was on but like hello, how are you?
Sorry.
Yeah.
It'll take 86 passengers. Sitting standards. Some of the hoi polloi of the motor probably can't believe it.
People go overseas, they don't stop throwing stuff anyway. That's the bug. Did you hear about the shooting?
Yeah.
A week ago, 6 days ago, 7 days tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, Medicare Road.
Yeah.
Plus 195 Green Bay over there. Yeah, we're never going to get something to the airport. Yeah, like,
I'll have to jump on that bus.
And then it goes left on Blockhouse Bay Road. And it goes Blockhouse Bay, then round all the back streets.
yeah, I think I've been on that bus.
195.
Yeah. I actually came back on the from the airport the other Saturday. I came up with he back to the Austin Road, he into the Great North.
Do you live out south somewhere?
Yeah, okay, excellent.
Excellent. That's not very south. That's not very south.
Yeah, the general managers are yeah, look.
All roadworks. Yeah, they've got cones the whole way along here.
Three guys. Yeah, the 24th of July was the fun.
Yeah.
Christmas dinner.
Yeah.
The Christmas.
Yeah.
look.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dennis River. Dennis River got September 8 units. It made 8 units talented.
Sure is. All done.
Yeah, look. Hey, look. Yeah. But on side of me, do you remember the old buses?
Yeah.
Hey, remember Gary Medhurst?
Gary Medhurst, yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, Gary Medhurst.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's gone.
What's that?
He has gone.
Me too. Then there's the overalls king.
I hope he went to heaven.
Who?
I hope Gary Medhurst went to heaven.
Hey, what about the overalls king? Bob Carter.
Yeah.
What's that?
He was your friend,
Yeah, he
man.
does it. Does easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm talking about the encyclopedia.
Neil King.
Yeah, these.
I think he lives up north now.
Yeah, Elizabeth Barrow.
Yeah.
Elizabeth Barrow.
Yeah. Have you seen her at all? Have you seen her at all?
No.
No, I haven't seen her for a long time.
Used to do the gardening at Banbury.
Yeah.
Something on there.
Did you go on that trip to Tauranga? Behind the double DCs? Behind the double D's, DC before I
Did you go on it?
No, it booked out quickly from Pukekohe. It started from
Pukekohe,
Yes,
no, it left at 7 o'clock in the morning from Waiuku. From Victoria Ave Station, Waiuku then.
Yeah.
They would have been the 7:50.
Greetings, everybody.
I'm okay, I'll be. Make sure she had a good time. She's not always keen on. She said, "What are you doing this week?" And I told her, and she started pulling out of things all the time.
He didn't. One of New Zealand's main centres. Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch, and as far as I'm concerned, here, Whangarei, Hamilton, Tauranga, Rotorua, Gisborne, Napier, Hastings, here New Plymouth, Wanganui, Palmerston North, Bennett, Nelson, Timaru, and Invercargill. Hey, look, then you got Qantas now. It's going from the Gold Coast to here to Auckland and you return. Qantas goes Sydney, Auckland, JFK. What's that? Gave me a Bible 6. Thank you 4 months ago. The Holy Bible. Jesus loves me, as I know. For the Bible.
I'm going to say that Sunday schools are good.
What Sunday school was that?
When I was a good, it was grade 5. Grade 5 when I was a good.
Yeah, might be a Christian group. You know John Russell, his niece committed suicide, did you know that?
No. When did that happen?
Probably last year, I think. I have been working on the railroad. I don't believe in homosexuality either.
Right.
Neither do I.
Something that, you know, makes the lights go red.
Yeah, I don't know if they had to switch it on. It's just automatic.
Four corner, this is here, Lindsay, you're all good. Here, JA12. Looking for my photos last night. Thank you.
I think it's next weekend. We've got a murder mystery tour from Christchurch to Tormore, which is a fair way up. I think it's probably near enough to a 5-hour train ride there and back. And somebody gets murdered, you've got to be the detectives and work out who did it. You'll discover all it does.
Yeah. Your sister used to be called Christine, the bosom, wasn't it? They like the doctors anyway. Walk them out.
Yeah. Well, you know,
The weather was a bit ghastly. In fact, on the Monday, on the Sunday night, it rained quite heavily, and they were a bit concerned about back washouts. So we had to spend a lot of days putting our thumbs underneath.
That means it was actually the Monday.
Yeah, so that was on
Turn
well, that was
turn
on
around,
Monday.
and then we'll go and turn this car around, and then start our second run back to M2.
They're going to turn the other car around, then they're going to turn this car around, and then they're going to start the second run.
Go back inside.
It's going to be the lead track inside.
It's either Wednesday or Thursday. Some of my friends from church are, going to their daughter's wedding.
Yeah.
Here in Bali, would you believe?
Yeah.
Because it's cheaper. Well, other thing looking about Wellington now.
Yeah.
Do the Mari Haka.
Yeah. Open.
Tongariro crossing. Have you ever been on White Island before?
Yep.
Yeah, you can't go on there anymore.
No. I went there a long time ago.
You just about.
So they've got, did they have like the old running?
Don't you have long? That's okay.
Yeah. You started going to Hillsborough, I remember, because you were getting sick of Keith's.
What's your name? What's your name?
Ben.
Who?
Ben.
Ben.
Yeah, so I'm from GBR.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so just with Rob.
With who?
With Rob, the driver.
Hang on. Hang on, I'll come with what happens to you down there, DVR or through the long line? There's applications that come to
Oh, yeah, no. You know what? NZTA safety and flight concerns happens. They go for everything.
yeah, okay, they do really like on the road.
Yeah.
What happens down the track right there at Markov Region and Street Walker?
I don't know what happened there, eh?
Here they can, boy, do you live around here?
No, I'm from Waiuku, so South Auckland.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm from Kingston, but formerly from Andrew East.
Oh, yeah.
But got family trees who were down by you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you from
I'm doing an apprenticeship in welding. So that's what I spend most of my weekdays doing welding.
Yeah, who's that? People first, speak up to people first.
Yeah.
He's doing plumbing. So water pumps.
Whereabouts are you doing your
Hospitality.
Yeah, not too far from what
Only about 30 minutes from where I live, so nice drive.
what's that do you drive?
Yeah, so it's only about 30 minutes drive from mine.
And I ended up on the same railway station at Kamakura in Auckland.
Yeah,
Go to
that'll be good.
yeah, but that's okay. What's happened, a lot of our parents have gone to the South Island. Yeah, somebody gave me a photo of JA12 on the the second thing was JA12 came up here a long time ago from going. You've been to house and stuff with village before?
Yeah. Yep.
Pardon?
Yep.
Is this seen as a line that looks like it?
Okay, now we can all hop off here and go to the cafe.
Thank you.
What about the rest, Ben?